Good morning. Good morning. Hello. 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 Hello.
So this is the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So basically, personal loan is situated in fifth column. But what is the index value of it? What is the index value of it? It's 4, right? So we'll do the same thing where we are supposed to access. First of all, let me write it. Customer with according to the yes. That means if it is only yes, then only we are accessing it. Okay, so it is saved in the customer with personal loan. And if I run this now you will see these been reduced to 13. That means only 13 members are basically having the personal loan. Okay, so if we just count it, you can see only 30 members are having a personal loan. Is that clear? Okay, we'll move on to the next question, where you're supposed to find the count of customers who has connection and has taken a car loan. Now you have two conditions here. Okay, this is not just one condition we are talking about. Now we have two conditions. First of all, who has connection? Where is it? It is in the last but one column, right? So what are we supposed to use? Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6th column, right? So first of all, I'll mention this as connection, CONN, is equal to, we'll call the banking array, will access every single row, but the particular column, that is the 6th column. We'll run it and we'll check. Yes, we are getting the cellular and unknown. Perfect. After this, we are supposed to go for the car loan. So we'll mention car loan here is equal to, again, banking array. We're accessing all the rows again, and we are accessing a particular column again, car loan, car 5. Let me check once again. 0, 1, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Okay. So we'll run it. Okay, we are getting the correct value. Now we are supposed to mention the condition. So what is, first of all, we are accessing only the column here, but we did not write the condition. Can you tell me what is the condition here? Yes, it should be equal to cellular, right? Cellular means they have the connection. So we'll copy it from the data set. We'll copy it from the data set and we'll paste it here. And we'll do the same thing here also. So basically it should be having the car loan. Car loan, if it is there, then it will be yes, correct? So we'll do the same thing, that is yes. We'll run it. Okay, now the two conditions are done. Now we are supposed to merge the condition, right? So to merge the condition, we'll merge condition is equal to, now we'll use a connection. First of all, first condition and ampersand, and we'll use the car loan. And it is basically stored inside the merged condition. Now let's print it. We'll write here count of customers connection and has taken the car loan. Sorry. I mean, who has connection and has taken a car loan. Mention merge condition like this. Can I just mention merge condition? No, it is give me the values in the form of false and true, which is wrong. I want this to be counted. So whenever I count, basically, it is counting only the true value. That means I told you we are using one particular function which doesn't count zeros. So what I'm supposed to use? Exactly the previous one. That is np dot count non-zero. That means it will not count all this false value. It will print only means 1, correct? So we'll mention that count underscore non-zero and we'll enclose and run it. Okay, can you see the count of customers who has connection and has taken the is basically 4. Done? Okay, move on to the next question. If you have any queries, kindly let me know in the chat box. Otherwise, we'll move to the next one. Is that clear? Anybody has any doubts? If not, kindly write yes in the chat box. Sorry, kindly write clear or no in the chat box so that we can move to the next one. Okay, perfect. Very good. Now, we'll move to the next one. That is task number 4. Find the count of customers with a personal loan and are married and has car loan. Okay, first of all, we have two of the things are basically here. One is the personal loan. So we'll mention that personal loan. I mean, copy this. Okay, we got the personal loan first. Okay, after that, married. Okay, married is not done, but we have a car loan. Now we'll write here married is equal to the rows, but a particular column. I think it is a. So we'll second column and we'll mention it is married. Copy the value. Now we'll merge all the three conditions. Merge conditions is equal to customer with personal loan, ampersand, car loan, ampersand, and married. So all the three conditions are being completed and we'll print it saying that count of customers with a personal loan and are married and has a car loan is again nb dot count underscore non-zero and open bracket merge underscore condition. Let's run it. Okay, again we are able to get the value as 4, right? So 4 number of, okay, if you have a problem or if you have a doubt that if my whatever you have written is wrong, you can also basically check it. To check it, basically you are calling the banking array and whatever condition you have written, just access that condition inside the array to check it. So let me just print it. Okay, so you can see there are married. In the place of car loan, they have yes, and they have a what is that, car loan. So both are yeses basically. So you can see all the 4 yeses are there and all the 4s are married. So this is how you basically check it whether your output is correct or not. Okay, so let's run it once again. Yes, so we're getting the answer as 4. Any doubts? Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Now this is a very interesting question. Okay, find the count of customers whose age is greater than 35 and less than 50, and also find the bank balance of these customers. Okay, so we are supposed to find only those customers between 35 and 50, and we are supposed to find their bank balance. How can we do this? First of all, we'll mention the age. We'll get the values from the, first of all, we'll put the condition, that is banking array. We're accessing, I think it's the first column, right? Yes, it's the first column. So we'll mention 0. Okay, and this first condition is it should be greater than 35. Yes or no? It should be greater than 35. And there's one more condition. What is the condition? Banking array of the first column, that is age column, it should be less than it should be less than 50, right? Okay, so let's run it. We'll check. Yes, it is running. Now, simply we'll do one thing. We'll just check whether it is whatever we have written is correct or not. So banking array of age. I'm sorry, it is less than. I'm sorry. Yes. Yes. So you're able to see here is the age. Okay, so you can 36, perfect, 39, perfect, 41, 43, 39, 43, 36, 40, and 37. So all the values are basically between 35 and 50. Okay, so we're getting the correct value. Now the term is to find the total balance of these customers, right? So we are supposed to find the bank balance of these customers. So first thing that you're going to do is find the overall balance. Okay, find the overall balance. Don't put any condition, just find the overall balance. I'll write here overall balance is equal to, well, getting the banking array. We are accessing all the rows, but we are accessing a particular column, that is the amount column, or basically the balance column, 0, 1, 2, 3. We'll access the third column. Okay, so this is the overall balance. Now what you're going to do is, now we are supposed to get, we are supposed to, okay, we'll write here, print. Customers whose age is greater than 35 and less than 50, and also the bank balance of these customers is, and we'll mention total. Okay, and the total bank balance of these customers is, okay. So what you're supposed to do is, first of all, before this, we have found out the condition, that is the age condition. Also, I can mention this as a condition only, right? The condition is it should be greater than 35 and less than 50. And we have found out the overall balance. So is there any chance that I am able to access the balance of this particular condition? Let's do it. Okay. I'll repeat it once again. So what you're going to do is here, accessing total balance against the condition. Okay, so to do that, I'll mention something called as COND, that is condition. We have already mentioned it, right? Okay, for timing, let me mention this as age. Accessing total balance against the, or accessing total balance by age condition. Yes, we'll mention this as condition is equal to, we are accessing the overall balance, we are printing the overall balance here, but according to the age. Now this is how you basically get the value. Okay, so you're getting the overall balance. Okay, whatever overall balance is there. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll print the overall balance just to show you how it what's the total overall balance. So you can see the total overall balance looks like this. Okay, it is, if I just mention overall balance according to the age difference. Okay, can you see this is the difference where you are finding overall balance according to the age, whatever age we have. But the problem is we are supposed to find the total balance, not individual balances. We are supposed to find the total balance. To find the total balance, what you can do, already this is basically stored inside a condition. Okay, it is called it is stored in the variable condition. So what we'll do is we'll make use of NP, or basically we can mention we can call the condition sum function, right? So let's run it. Yes, can you see 13,845 is the value? That means by just whatever the condition is there, if you just print the condition, you are able to see this was our output, right? Individual value we are able to get. But if I use the sum function, basically it will add all these values and able to get the correct answer, that is 13,845. Right? And also, if you want to find the number of customers, that also we can do. How can we do this? If I want to find the number of customers, just mention this age, whatever this age is there, and use the np.count non-zero function. Yes or no? np.count non-zero function according to the age. So if I run it, you can see the 9 such values are there, which is basically greater than 35 and less than 50. Simple, correct? So just for timing, let me just commit it out, just for your understanding. Okay, so 5 tasks is being completed. I'll post the next 5 tasks. Now, if any of the tasks you people know, you can do it by yourself. Okay, I'll completely give the access to you. This is task number 6. This is task number 7. This is task number 8. Task number 8 is quite lengthy, so kindly, if you know it, you can do it. Otherwise, I'll help you out. Okay. This is task number 8, and this is task number 9. Okay, only those. So whatever is there, we are supposed to finish off as of today. We have to finish all this task. Okay, task number 6 to 9. So how many tasks? 4 tasks is there. I'll help you out in some of the tasks, but most of the tasks you are supposed to do it by yourself. First of all, find the count of customers whose profession is management and is married and has cellular connection. I think you can do it by yourself. Yes or no? Is there any doubts regarding this particular 6th question? Whose profession is management and is married and has a cellular connection, by yourself. Okay, fine. Find the count who are single but have more than average bank balance. Can you do this? Can you do this, task number 7? Or do you have, do you require my help? Do you need my help? Let me know if you need my help, because this is not the usual question that I ask. Find the count who are single but have more than average bank balance. Anybody require any help regarding to task number 7? So we'll do the task number 7, then we'll move on to the task number 8. Okay. What we're going to do is we are finding out who are singles. I mean, we are getting the banking array. We'll quickly do it. Okay. Banking array. We are accessing all the rows. We are accessing the second column. In that, we are supposed to access only the single. Yes or no? Now we have found out the single. What is the next element that we require here? We require bank balance. Yes or no? Right? So basically the balance. So mention here balance is equal to banking array. We are accessing all the rows. We are accessing a particular column. That is the third column. And we are getting the balance now. Now we are supposed to find the average bank balance. So let me mention here average balance is equal to, we can make use of np.mean function and we can directly mention the balance here. So what it will do is it will find you the average bank balance of each and every, what is that? Each and every, I mean, this is the average bank balance of the entire data set. Okay. So that is 1442. Now our task is to find whoever is single and has greater value than 1442. Okay. We are supposed to find the count of them. Again, I'll repeat. We are supposed to find the single customer, his average bank balance, I mean, whatever balance is there, that should be basically greater than 1442. So this is our task. How can we do this? Bank balance is avg underscore balance, just for your reference. So we'll mention the condition now. So the condition is, first of all, he or she should be single, and the balance, okay, whatever balance is there with this single person should be greater than the average balance. Yes or no? Should be greater than average balance. Obviously, you can do it by yourself. I mean, whatever, I'm sorry, is average balance. Yes. So balance should be greater than average bank balance. I mean, you can, whatever I have done, you can do it like this also, but you can do it in one line also. Okay. That also can be done. So condition is, the first of all, he should be single, he or she should be single, and the balance should be greater than the average bank balance. Now, if it is true, with greater than the average bank balance, and you can make use of count underscore non-zero of condition. Let's run it. Okay. So customers with bank balance greater than the average bank balance, you can see the output. I mean, output is only one. I mean, one such customer is there who is basically single and has the average more than average bank balance. So let us see whether that, I mean, let us see who is that person. Okay. So to see that, first of all, we can call the banking array. Yes or no? Banking array will access according to the condition and will run it. Okay. So you can see here he's an and has a bank balance of 2317. Okay, so basically it is greater than 1442. That's the reason he's been who are basically been counted, right? So task number 7 has been completed. If you have any doubts, kindly let me know in the chat box. Okay, task number 8 I will be doing it, but task number 9 you are supposed to do it by yourself. Okay, is that clear?